Hey everybody, let's make it real. A few years ago, the Pew Research Center did a survey in regards to your political ideology, or as they called it here, political typology. And I just posted in our lecture about political ideologies. Now, you're going to see that the definitions that they use on this site are a little bit different than what you might find in a textbook. But here is a 17-question quiz in relation to issues. Now, if you fall on the right-hand side of the scale, you tend to be more conservative. If you fall on the left-hand side of the scale, you tend to be more liberal. So if you went through this and you just click next, you'll see that there are some basic questions. Do you think government should do more to help needy Americans, even if it means the country goes deeper and deeper into debt? Or do you think that government today can't afford to do much more than it already has in regarding the needy and the help that they need? So there are other questions related to foreign affairs, local affairs, and so on and so forth. So take the typology quiz. Let's make it real. Find out where you might fall on this left to right scale.